Good evening, everybody. My paper is gallbladder carcinoma presenting with gallbladder perforations. As we all know, gallbladder perforations are not uncommon, but most of the important literatures on gallbladder perforations are due to gallstone disease. The aim of this paper is to present our clinical experience of gallbladder carcinoma presenting with gallbladder perforations. 40 patients with gallbladder perforations due to various reasons were operated at Indira Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Patna between 2001 and 2030, were retrospectively reviewed. 12 out of 40 patients were turned to be gallbladder malignancy on histopathological examinations. Classifications used to classify the gallbladder perforation was given by the NEMers. That was type 1 gallbladder perforation, that is generalized biliary peritonitis, type 2 localized biliary peritonitis, and type 3 cholecystoenteric fistulas. Age, gender, diagnostic procedures, surgical treatment, morbidity, and mortality were evaluated from case records. There were 10 males and 2 female patients. The mean age was 69. And there were complaints where signs and symptoms were non-specific of that of acute calculus cholecystitis. All of them had associated gallstones, which was unknown in 5 patients. 4 patients had deranged liver function tests in form of abnormal SGPT and SGOT. Abdominal X-rays and abdominal ultrasound were performed in all patients, and abdominal CT scan was done in 10 patients, which shows type 1 gallbladder perforation in 2, type 2 gallbladder perforation in 9, and type 3 gallbladder perforations, which presented Bowet syndrome in 1. None of them had pre-operative diagnosis of gallbladder carcinoma, even on CCT abdomen. CCT picture shows irregular gallbladder wall thickening with complex pericholecystic fluid collections, which was noted in all patients. Ultrasound shows calculus in 10 patients, but failed to demonstrate perforation in 8 patients. Gallbladder fundus was the most common site of perforations in 10 out of 12. The rent was large and measuring more than 1 centimeter, and obvious in most of them in CT scan. These are a few pictures of CT scans, MRI, and ultrasound showing irregular gallbladder wall thickening with complex pericholecystic fluid collections, and all were turned out to be malignant on post-operative histopathological examinations. 8 patients among 12 patients underwent partial cholecystectomy and rest formal cholecystectomy. Carcinoma was detected on post-operative histopathological examination of bisected specimen. 2 patients died of sepsis and multiple organ failure in early post-operative period, and remaining patients received post-operative chemoradiations. Median survival of patients were only 5 months. So concluding, gallbladder carcinoma presenting with perforation is not uncommon. Pre-operative diagnosis of gallbladder malignancy in the background of perforation is very difficult to diagnose, even with CT scan, possibly due to dense inflammatory reactions and generalized thickening of the gallbladder. And these patients had very poor prognosis. Thank you.